Hello students, question number 6 of exercise 4.3 is, if the work done by the body on the application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance travelled by the body, express this in the form of an equation in two variables and draw the graph of the same by taking the constant force as 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance travelled by the body is first is 2 units and second is 0 units. We will solve this question. Let y equal to work done and f equal to constant force, which is given as 5 units. This is given. And x equal to distance covered. Now this is also given. Work done is directly proportional to the distance travelled. Now work done we have assumed as y and distance travelled as x. Therefore this is equal to 5 into x. 5 is the constant force. Now we will put the values. When x equal to 0, then y will also be equal to 0. Now for x equal to 1, when we will put value of x equal to 1, then y equal to 5 multiplied by 1. 5 ones are 5. For x equal to 2, y equal to 5 into 2, 10. For x equal to 3, y equal to 5 3s are 15. And for x equal to 4, y equal to 5 4s are 20. Now we will draw the graph of these, plot the graph of these points. First point is 0 0. 0 0. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. This is the point 0 0. And then x value is 1 and y's value is 5. Here is value of x 1 and here is y's value 5. Then we will join these both points. Then we will get this corner. This is the point 1 and 5. Then is second point is 2 and 10. Here is 2 and here is 10. Then when we will join these both points, then again we get this corner. This is the point 2 and 10. Then this is the graph. By joining this line, we get this line, straight line, which is a graph of y equal to 5x. Now in the first part, it is asked that when the distance travelled by the body is 2 units, then we have to find out the work done. Now this is the point we have taken as A, which represent x equal to 2. Now from the graph, when x equal to 2, you can also see from here when x equal to 2, then y equal to 10. You can also see from the graph, when x equal to 2, then value of y is 10. Means y, what was y? Y was the distance, y was the work done. Therefore work done is 10 units. Then second part is 0 units. When the distance is 0, means x equal to 0. Then y is also 0, means no work is done from the graph. Okay, thank you students. In the next video we will do the next questions. Okay, thank you very much.